going, guys? Welcome back to TJ's RC Garage, and I'm back with another video. And today we're gonna take the Steed 3F Sport. For those of you who don't know what the Steed, okay, let's continue walking. Steed 3F Sport is, it's my, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's my RC boat. It's in my bag. I've got my fishing stuff. Yeah, I'm going down to the river so we can fish, play with the boat and everything. So today's video is gonna be only about the boat and not about fishing. So let's get the boat ready, and it's a long walk somewhere. I don't know if you guys can see it somewhere there. So we've parked the Jeep right there, and we're gonna make our way down on foot because that's like really steep down, and I doubt if the Jeep will climb back up. So I'll reach there and I'll see you guys in a short while. Yeah, it's really hot here. Oh my god, I'm sweating. So let's just go. I'll see you guys in the river down there in 3, 2, 1, and a boop. Boom! So we're almost there. Okay, I'm almost there. So my bag is, I think I guys told you, I've got my fishing stuff. I've got a tripod, I've got extra batteries, I've got everything I need for a few days of shooting. And now we've got to cross this. I don't know if you guys can see, but let's go. Oh no, it's stuck. Okay, boom, now my boat's stuck. Yes, I love this. Okay. We finally are. I don't know if you guys can see, but boom. So I think that will be our spot somewhere there, right there. Let's see, depends. So let's go get some footage. Mostly, let's go. Boom. Okay, so I've on an island, I don't know. So let's go find our way out of this place and probably fish later and go get the Steed 3F Sport out. Okay, looks like there were people. Okay, looks like there were people here. There's fire, and then this tree literally creeps me out all the time for no reason. Oh, it's really hot here. And yes, we have stagnant water right here. Okay, so I've been wanting to do this video for quite some time, but it was raining really heavily here for the past few days, and the water's level has increased. Okay, it's increased like a hell lot. So I don't know if I thought of taking the boat out here, but I'm scared if the boats aren't going to make it at this area because there's like a heavy flow, and if the boat flows, I'm not gonna find it. It's just gonna go, and that's the water. So let's make our way that side where hopefully there's no flow. Okay, let's walk. I'll find the spot and join you guys in some time because my camera is overheating. You know how hot it is here. I'll cool the camera down and I'll see you guys in some time. And yeah, we finally made it. I know it's kind of flowy, but I'm sure my boat can manage. I don't know. So this is gonna be my spot. Boom. So let's just get started. First thing, I gotta unpack everything. Okay, that's my spot. I changed my spot. That's my spot. There's more space. Let's start unpacking stuff. Oh, okay, we're unpacking, not my face. Let's go. Okay, let's start unpacking. I've got a few parts of my boat right here. Okay, let's see. We've got the transmitter, We've got the noise, it's the camera, don't worry. All this is fishing equipment which we won't need. Here's the camera case with extra batteries and stuff. So I think that's it in this. Okay, let's check what's in this. Dun 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 dun. We've got the boat. We've got a screwdriver just in case, and we've got the battery of the boat. Actually, this is not the boat's battery. It comes with a, I don't know what's it called, where you put 4 AA batteries and then run this shit. So I've used this for my RC car. It is nickel cadmium 600 megahertz 6 volts battery, and at last we've got the antenna of the transmitter. Let's get this thing set up. I guess this video is gonna be kind of long, I don't know, depends. And that's done. We've got to get the battery of the transmitter in. Okay. One thing I don't want to do is, I don't want to lose my transmitter or the screw for my transmitter. I'm very bad at losing things. Last time I left my tripod or my gorilla pod here, and yes, luckily I found it. I came back and found it, but it was in a pretty bad condition. I don't know, something just happened. And okay, so transmitter's in place. I hate doing the sun cam because I'm not good at removing body clips, especially of the boat. Come on, don't let me down, okay, got the body clip, and that's what it looks under the hood. And let's connect, throw the battery in and close. Okay, just hit the camera and boom. So I don't know, blah. Okay, let's go. I hope we can manage. I'll see you guys in a minute. The first thing, boom. No, don't float. Run. Boom. Okay, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, we have good news. The boat does work. I don't know how I can do this. Let me see. How? Yes, I'm filming by myself, for God's sake. Okay. Okay, I don't think it's even on frame. Let's see. Aha. Boom. And oh, this thing is, I never expected it to be this hard, but holy shit, guacamole. Okay, and let's go. I am really bad at following stuff. Let's run. I don't know if you guys can even see, but it's like really hard. I never had to be this hard. Okay, bad news, we got something stuck on the propeller. Out, you piece of shit. Okay, just fishing line. Someone's been fishing here for... Okay, that's not my fishing line. Okay, let's try something crazy. Let's take this up. Do you think it's gonna work? Hell yeah. I am wet. Okay, it's making slow progress. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a really strong current, and and the boat's an absolute blast. I love the C3F Sport. If you guys want to buy it, I hate to break it to you, but it's not available anymore. It was a limited edition from Re.el Toys. I was lucky to get my hands on it when I was in Italy. So this thing's an absolute blast from all the way from Italy. Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear the flow. It's like real bad there. And let's, okay, so ja. I think look at it. Ah, this thing is hardcore epic. Let's get it back and let's go. Okay, so it's stuck, but let's keep fighting. Wow, this boat, I didn't know it was this good. Yes, one hand control. I'm the one who's filming and controlling, so okay, let's let the boat go. And yes, it's stuck, so oh, I forgot to even get the antenna up. Now I gotta say, I hate this radio. Okay, it's all coming back to me, one hand control. Let's just turn the boat and let's go down. Oh, no. So there's no problem with that happening, but you just gotta dry it out. Let's just check. Okay, it's fine. Is it even running? Yes, perfect. Let's go. Yes, that's me. Hello. Actually, guys, I had to hire a cameraman, but you know, everything really expensive and my camera is bloody overheating. Let's go, my boy, let's go. Okay, there's water all over my cam. Good thing the camera's... Oh, no. Great. Epic. I'm in love with this. The boat's just going. No. Run. And yuck. That's bad. Okay, so that's like really bad. But good thing it still works. That's one thing I love about this boat. Whatever shit you throw onto it, it still runs. And let's go back, or it would have just flowed away. I know there's full water on the cam. And my hands wet, tripod's wet, everything's wet. Okay, now it's better. So I think that's it for today's video, cause my back's aching. I've been here, it's all afternoon, it's really hot. I don't know what the time is, I don't have my watch. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked it. You better love it, cause I've been wanting to do this video for some time and it's real hard work. So here we have the Steed PF Sport, or you guys might know it as Project SwordFish. So this is not how it looks. It was completely white with stickers. That's SwordFish, that's better. So right now I'm running a brushed system. I'm running a SwordFish brush system. So if you guys don't know what a SwordFish brush system is, SwordFish is a brand which makes motors and ESCs and all that stuff for this bad boy, not just for this, for any RC boat. So I got some and I painted this green. Boom. So it's really wet, and I put the radio off first. I know I've been telling this, so if you guys enjoy this video, please, I don't know, I'm sweating, smash that like button and punch and smash and kick that subscribe button and make sure it's subscribed, and please do ring that notification bell for upcoming videos. That's it for today's video. Go watch my other videos, share this content, share my channel, follow me on Instagram. Yes, number one, follow after subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at TJ's RC Garage, one word, all nothing caps. I'll put everything down in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Adios.